Hello, tonight I wanted to share with you my Secret Not Secret Kit Club that for September that was based off the Vicki Boutin Field Notes collection by American Crafts. And I'm going to go through my 12 by 12 sheets first. And this first sheet is called Collect and Document. And I thought that this would be a great journal page for like a 2-page spread, so the one page could be more pictures and then I could tell my story here. And I probably would use that for one of my Girl Scout troop pages. This is perfect for it. And then the other side is a watercolor orangey type paper, but I think I'm definitely going to use this side. This one's called Field Notes, and it's pencils and pens and brushes and just different things that you would make field notes with. And then this side is green with some leaves, and I will most likely use this side as well. This one is called Take Flight, which are butterflies and like a color blocking, fading type rainbow style. And then this side is just some yellow dots, which I thought these two pages would go great together. So we'll do that. And then this is Wander Always. Not a big feather fan, but I did love this side. It's a pink background and these look like daisies. So most likely I will be using this side. This one is Simple Things, and I like both sides of this page. This is like a pink with just kind of some brush marks on it. And then this side is another watercolored. I do like all the branding strips too, because they're cool how you can use those as part of your shelf underneath your picture. This one is Among the Wildflowers, and I may cut these apart. The big pink ones are gorgeous, so we'll see what I do with this. And then, but I also do like the blue watercolored side as well. This one's Good Stuff. I really like these cut aparts. I can go through with my border punch and add texture like a notebook on these. This over here, but there's just something about these that I like. They're simple, they're clean, so I may use all of these cut aparts, but I did also like the blue on this side. Then this one is Abstract Moments. I like the circles with the different stamps on it. And then this is the yellow watercolor. One of a Kind. Love the stripes in the different colors. It's bright, it's happy. Really like this page. And then this is like a blue periwinkle purple type watercolor. This is cool. This is Coffee Stains, but it's more you know, just thinking about this would be great for, I have a Girl Scout troop picture where they're doing watercolor, and this reminds me of like when they use the water cup to clean their brushes and then they left stuff all over. So I might just use that for this, I'm sorry, for that event. And that's called Daydreamer. And then this is a nice green background with some wonky polka dots. And Happy Heart. Different color hearts, and then this blue with the leaf. This side I probably will use. Really like that side. Then I got puffy stickers. So Simple Things, Finding Joy. Let's see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and go through Saturday. Love You, the little arrows. So that's going to be awesome. I like the little dots too. And then I got Fancy Thickers. That's the name of them. Glitter, squishy, and a little script type. Looking forward to using those. And then I got One of a Kind word stickers from Thickers. These are awesome. Collect Moments, Big Smile, One of a Kind, Hello Friend, This Day, The Simple Things. I really like these word stickers. Going to be able to use them for titles, which is awesome. And then we have some 6x6 paper packs. This is Savannah Dream. And birds. Love birds. I don't know why I've been putting birds on all my pages lately. This is going to be awesome for backing photos with the black and white stripe. And this is just so pretty. The flowers with the pink and the green and the blue. And then this is just a checkered blue and light blue. And then I have some 6x8s. This is just a blue with white square dots. And then a peach square 6x8s. So that's my paper. And then this is what I'm very excited about, because I seen Christina do a video just the other day. And she used these two stencils, and she used her pencil to go over it. So I really want to try that technique that she did in that video. So I'm excited. So I got all 3 of them, and these are awesome for circles. And then I also got Vicki Boutin. I'm not sure what this is. This is iridescent glaze. I'm gonna have to do some research on that, because I'm not sure how to use that. And then I also got some Pretty Little Studio word stickers, phrases. So those are always good to add to the page. And these are 30 tags. Oh, those are cool. Oh, and you can list. And you can use a ticket, you can use them noted. Oh, I like those. And then you can put the date as well. So Vicki Boutin, 30 tags. Oh, and there's the different tags. See if you can see. There you go. Those are awesome. I'll have fun with those. And then I got a little bag. Oh, a big bag of goodies. These florals are gorgeous. The colors, how vibrant they are on them. Look at that. I'll probably use them all on one page, and I'll get carried away. The moth is a little large, but I'm sure I'll find something. Oh, look at a little mushroom. Happy about the mushroom. Sarah Scraps mushroom. Yay! Some more florals, words, the good stuff, live an adventure story, my favorite people, wonder, and then just like all these little tags you can tuck behind pictures and just add texture, reminder, simple things. I mean, today, balance, happiness, another little tag. Love that as a layering piece behind, you know, a picture. Do more of what makes you happy. Here's some more florals. Awesome bird. Noted, another bird. He's cute. Look at him. He's a cute guy. Butterflies. Moth. Some leaves. Hearts. I mean, this is jam-packed. Some feathers, which I will figure out how to use. White flower. Can add some watercolor to it. Find me where the wild things are. That is awesome. Enjoy today. Be happy. I mean, I could just use these as my title. This story. Oh, this is awesome. She did such a great job on this. Thank you so much, Christina. There's no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. Hello there. Cool things. Make good use of today. Serendipity. Finding something good without looking for it. Important facts and observations. Refresh. To restore strength, to freshen up, to update or renew. All good things are wild and free. And then a little frame, embracing the journey. A little journal pad and a frame. Not sure what that is. A layering piece, but not sure what it's supposed to be. and then the mum, the yellow mum. I'm going to enjoy working with this kit, and I'm going to pair it with, oh, there's some more. I'm going to pair it with my August Boys Rule. So kind of two different kits. This one has a little more off-white to it. The Boys Rule Cocoa Vanilla is more white-based, but I'm okay with that. I won't put the pages together, but I will use them, try and scrapbook them all in the month, next month, and use that for my 2 Kilo Kit with Style. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed the Vicki Boutin Field Notes line. It's